So, guys, what do you want to do today? I don't know, dude. I'm bored. Yeah, I'm bored too. Yeah. What is there to do? And our devices are dead, so we can't play video games. Oh, well, what about playing in Fortnite? Hey, no, dude. Oh, the new Fortnite is ass, and I'm talking doggy ass. I'm straight ass. Okay, dang. Okay, dang. So, what else is there to play? Guys, I have the most genius idea of how we can have fun. Ow! You see that right over there? Oh, I know exactly what that is. That's a Nerf gun! We can play Nerf gun! But dude, that's only one Nerf gun. Oh, Freddy, look at this. What it look like? Huh? Yeah, look at this. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bunch of Nerf guns. Yeah, we can play Nerf guns to pass the time. All right, let me go get those Nerf guns. All right, everyone is ready? Oh yeah, dude. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh yeah. All right, you have 30 seconds to hide. Go! All right, everyone has hidden. Now, let the war begin. Alright, I'm hiding in here, so I'm gonna get my Nerf gun. Alright. I got the gun. Now, where are you? What the heck? What the heck? And there it is again! Where are those bullets coming from? Where are those bullets from? What was that? Where are those bullets coming from? Alright, let me just load this bad boy up. There we go. Load it up. Alright, it's locked and loaded. Let's see. Oh, there you are, Freddy. I see you. There you are. I see you. Time to die. Where are those gunshots coming from? Oh my god! Oh my god! What was that? Dang it! I missed. Let's try that again. Ah! I heard a gunshot. What was it? It's probably Freddy trying to defend himself. Oh, but not for long. There you are, Freddy. Where are you? There you are. Locked and loaded. Where are those bullets coming from? Oh my god! Wait. Oh my god. Where are those coming from? Where are those? Oh god, I jumped my gun! Ow! Oh god. Oh god. Wait. What is that? What is that? Time to die. No! Oh. Got him. It's ruthless out there. Good shot at Foxy. Where are you, Foxy? Where are you? Oh, there you are. So long, sucker. Oh. Yes, I got him. All right. Where? My last one left? Oh no. Bonnie is left. Sitting right there. I see that bunny. I gotta reload. I don't know where Chica's at. What? Oh, wait a minute. There she is. Alright. Let's go. Grab my second gun. Alright. Wait. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? So long, sucker. Pew. Ow. Yes! I am victorious! Wow! Well, good game. Yeah, good game. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, that was extremely fun. But I didn't see you. Where were you? I was on the other side of the bed. Oh. Whew. That was stressful. Yeah, it was stressful. Well, what do we do now? I don't know. I don't know either. Oh, we can still play Fortnite. Did I not just tell you that is ass?